Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway tutorial how to use TikTok on PC. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. So let's move to this tutorial. First of all, open any browser in your PC. I open Google Chrome browser and in search bar you need to type TikTok. Type TikTok and then press enter. You use this TikTok application in your PC without any extra installing apps. So after typing TikTok, open this first website link www.tiktok.com. After opening this site, here you see all TikToks, application, people and so on. So here you see your friends videos and other people videos as well, and here you log in with your profile as well if you want, and here you see all features of this application. You see here, if you want to use this TikTok application in your PC just like in your mobile application, then all you need to do, click on this three dots option in your browser and click here more tool option in Google Chrome. These option or menu are different in different PC. So after going to more tools, and then you need to click on developer tools. After clicking on developer tools, then all you need to do, click on this Google device toolbar. If you click on this option, then here you see your application, TikTok application, run just like run in your PC. So here you see this TikTok application just like in your mobile. So here all options are shown in this PC just like in your mobile. You also change here different devices if you want: iPhone, iPad, iPad Pro and many more. So you use your device according to your needs. So in this way you use this TikTok application in your PC. So if you have any question related to this tutorial, simply ask me in the comment section. I will answer there. So if you find this video helpful, then please considering subscribing to my YouTube channel, and also do not forget to like this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.